Australia versus United States of America. So ready for his delivery. One for a wide. Is the this time a great acceleration here by Anwar. Here we go. This time delivers it little outside the off stump. Now you don't have to deliver it that. Just for a second. This time delivers it very much outside. I think he purposely delivered it there. And a great pick by Anwar. He smacks it. This time Anwar. Well, look at the beauty of this shot. Kamran finally manages to go for a big boundary here.
Going great.
Why do you deliver it on that?
Right arm spinner.
This time, that's over covers into the deep.
Pitch is in the support.
A big shout there and that's gone.
Kamran Syed, 18 runs out of 16 ball.
Taken! Zishan Mohammed on a golden duck. And I can say, just look at that. That's Anwar. That's Anwar.
And not dropping even a single catch out there. Anwar Ahmed, 33 out of 22 balls. Matthews with his second ball. Play towards the mid-on side, going towards the boundary. And Howard manages to shot a big shot, but was completely misjudged. The fielder out there got a catch, and it's a clear wicket. I've been joined back by Fayaz, Khawar Ali.
Well, just look at the feet work there. Look at that feet work. I'm in love with that feet work. Just look at it. Away, and that was googly. That did turn. But this time came into position early, picked it up nicely. That was swept away and clucked for a maximum. Once again, he uses his feet there.
To just get a breakthrough here, right?
But captain, this time, has been caught. The aggressive nature.
Mohammad Farooq, 31 of 31 balls. And he tried to execute that and got out.
What a delivery. It's a big wicket. Another one. Abdul Qadir departs on 17 in 9.
Manages to hit it big. Going out of the ground. Amazing 6.
United States of America are now down to last couple of overs. That was pretty close.
Forward, keep forward, keep forward, keep forward. Yes.
Ahmed Fazal gone, only conceding 8 runs out of 5 balls.
Here we go. This time that was not properly connected on the bat. It was just the tip and the outside tip of the bat. It wasn't on the middle. So Nadeem William.
Another wicket by Jamie Pennelly. Syed Shafiq have to go out. Last over of the game started. And a 4. A little bit of misfield. Another shot, same place, going towards down the ground. Oh, a wicket. Cleary used the previous strategy.
It's an all-out Bulls, United States of America, Australia. It's kind of a similar total of the last game which was played in NBB by Australia.
USA, Anwar scored 33 runs and Kamran scored 18 runs. Farooq, the skipper, scored 31.
Okay, so here we go with the first delivery. Balaji to Nordal. Pretty much of a confident start, I would say. Delivering it outside the off stump and then
A single or two boundaries just to maintain. Oh, a huge one. And taken.
this is what I was talking about.
Nottle departs in the start of the first over. Kamran going for his last ball. Play towards deep mid wicket, going towards the boundary. Another goes towards the boundary.
As well. Just look at it. How nicely he played it. Just the use of wrist, just the flick of the bat, and I'm going to continue after this delivery. Oh, that's a big shout and given. Just look at the situation where it is. Oh, that's a blunder. Fumble in the field. Plays it down the ground this time. Oh, fumble in the field. Swung the bat really hard and came onto the bat. And the ball wins. With a great hit.
And a shot placed toward the fine leg, going to the boundary directly. Misses a slight edge, going towards the boundary. Last ball of the over. Tries to hit and bowled. Nasir Jalil, 21 run out of 19 bowled.
Very exciting. And obviously today Australia is playing, and in the heart you must be really supporting Australia today.
It shouldn't be dropped. And just look at it. That was very risky here by Edwards, but
oh, first ball hit it toward the leg side, deep mid wicket, a huge six from Edwards.
oh, taken. So Brendan Edwards departs on 38 in 14.
Doesn't seem like we are witnessing a match of over 40. Balaji, first ball straight and a six, beautifully hidden by Paulson to complete his half century. Amazing effort, amazing.
Yeah, that was a wonderful hit. That was from the middle of the bat. It was in the air for a long time. With a straight bat, he went for a boundary. Australian side must give him some brownies today in the camp. What a hit once again. It went. Paulson once again. Just look at that. Yeah, knocking the doors. Knock, knock. Who's there? And in this manner, that's Australia entering into the doors of victory.
What a game to witness out here. A target conceived of 152 and was easily achieved by Australia in 16.4 overs only.
Australia won by 6 wickets